How to accept payments online. Figuring out the best ways to accept payments online and choosing the right payment processor can be overwhelming at the beginning. It is the lifeblood of your e-commerce or other service operation and a necessary cost to consider when selling online. If you cannot properly take payments online, you have no business. Before we dive into your payment options and how to get started, did you know? Beyond fees, fraud, and conversion, your brand's ability to expand internationally can be squandered by your credit card processing choice. Throw in each provider's fees, contracts, and fine print, and you have a wildly complex decision in front of you. You need to consider a myriad of factors, and how they affect your business. There is no right or wrong answer, only what works best for your unique set of circumstances. Take the time to do some comparison shopping before choosing a solution to accept debit and credit card payments. How exactly your brand gets paid and how to get started. How to handle disputes, and why lowering your risk of fraud reduces your chances of chargebacks. How consumer financing can increase conversion and which payment gateways offer it. Tips for expanding and selling internationally and selecting a payment provider that is globally recognized. Before we begin, know that there are three types of payment processors: merchant account plus payment gateway, all-in-one solutions, and simplified credit card processors. Here's a quick overview of each. Merchant account plus payment gateway. The traditional method for accepting payments online has been a combination of a merchant account and a payment gateway. Providers like SecureNet, Authorize.net, and eWay fall into this category. A merchant account is a special kind of business bank account that lets you accept credit card payments. An online payment gateway connects your store and your merchant service account and facilitates the processing of the payment transaction between the various parties involved, including your bank and the card issuer's bank. Payment gateways can also offer greater control over security rules and customization. They may be a better fit for large businesses needing a more tailored solution. All-in-one solutions. These services, including Payoly, PayPal, and 2Checkout, combine an account and gateway into one solution, which can make setup quicker and easier. They allow you to take all major credit cards and usually have favorable transaction rates. Plus, most don't charge monthly or setup fees for basic accounts, although you do have to pay a monthly fee for certain added features on some services. Services like Payoly make setup quicker and easier. They also allow you to take all major credit cards and usually have favorable transaction rates. Credit card payment processing, simplified. Services like Payoly, Stripe have removed much of the complexity out of taking payments online. From a merchant's perspective, these are very similar to the all-in-one solutions, but they usually integrate seamlessly with your store's checkout, meaning the shopper never leaves your site. And they can be much quicker to set up. You can start taking various payment methods in a matter of minutes. With these simplified payment processors, there's no need for merchant service account or payment gateway, and that translates to fewer fees. Are there different rates or fees associated with different types of cards? Some services charge different fees to process different types of card transactions, example personal, business, debit, and rewards cards as well as for different transaction amounts. Make sure you know exactly what you'll be paying to process each type of transaction. Do you charge billbacks, or are all charges related to a transaction billed in the same month? It's not unusual for a payment processor to entice you by quoting low rates. But sometimes that low rate only applies to certain types of cards. See question 1. Do you charge a separate fee for your gateway? It's pretty common for processors to charge a separate fee for their payment gateway, usually on a per transaction basis. Now let's talk about how to accept payments online easily. Most affordable ways to accept payments online is using Payoly service. Just check the description link and create accounts on Payoly. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up everything. You can join with your email, Facebook, or Google accounts. After that, just create a payment form to receive the money. That's very easy, isn't it? It won't take more than 5 minutes. No coding required. We're serious? Payoly is the easiest payment solution available. Accepting payments online should be fast, easy, and painless. Creating a payment form or button is just as simple as managing a social media account. Recurring payments and custom buttons. Payoly makes it easy for your customers to pay and check out. Our buttons are easy and customizable. We allow you to accept payments on your website for products or services. We're making accepting payments easier for you and a great experience for your customers. We also offer to donate buttons. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check the description for the joining link. Subscribe, like, and share the video.